10 fun facts about pandas. Number 10. Pandas are super cute bears.
Pandas look like big, cuddly teddy bears with soft, fluffy fur. Their black and white coats make them seem like huggable toys. These adorable bears love to play around and relax in their cozy bamboo forests.
Number 9. Pandas are crazy about bamboo.
Did you know pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo? They can munch on bamboo for up to 12 hours a day. Their tummies are specially designed to handle this tough, crunchy plant, making bamboo their favorite snack.
Number 8. Pandas have painted faces.
With those black patches around their eyes and ears, pandas look like someone painted their faces with a brush. These patches help them blend into the forest and stay safe from predators. Don't they look like they're wearing a cool superhero mask?
Number 7. Pandas are super lazy.
Pandas love to chill. They can sleep or just lounge around for up to 12 hours a day. When they're awake, they're usually busy eating bamboo. It's like their day is all about relaxing and snacking.
Number 6. Baby pandas are tiny.
When baby pandas are born, they're as small as an apple or a crayon. It's hard to believe these little babies grow into big, heavy pandas that can weigh up to 100 kilograms when they're all grown up.
Number 5. Pandas love to roll around.
Pandas sometimes roll down hills in the forest, looking like they're playing a silly game. These tumbles make them seem like fluffy black and white balls bouncing around, which is so funny to watch.
Number 4. Pandas live in bamboo forests.
Pandas call the cool, misty bamboo forests of China their home. These forests are full of tall, green bamboo plants that pandas love to eat and hang out around. It's like their own special playground.
Number 3. Pandas have a magic thumb.
Pandas have an extra thumb that's actually a special bone in their paw. This magic thumb helps them grab bamboo tightly and eat it easily. It's like having a built-in tool just for snacking.
Number 2. Pandas are super shy.
Pandas like to keep to themselves and aren't big fans of crowds. They love wandering alone in their quiet forests and only sometimes play with other pandas. Their shy nature makes them extra special.
Number 1. Pandas are rare friends.
Pandas are very rare in the world, which makes them super special. We need to take good care of them so they can keep eating bamboo and rolling around in their forests. Pandas teach us how to protect nature. Pandas are adorable, shy bears who roll around, munch on bamboo, and show us how wonderful the world can be with their painted faces. I hope you enjoyed this video.